So today we will talk about the 11th chapter of our textbook, and the name of the chapter is Weather and Climate. So in the name of the chapter we have two terms, weather and climate. So in this chapter we are going to see what are the difference between weather and climate, what is actually weather and what is climate separately, and the terms and other factors that are related to weather and climate. So let's get started. So firstly, what is weather? So weather is a temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. So let me note down the key points. So firstly, weather is a temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. That means weather is changeable. That means it changes within a very short time. That indicates the temporary state of sky and atmosphere at a certain place. That means here we have temporary state that is changeable within a very short time. And at a certain place, that means weather is a factor that is counted in a certain place. Suppose in the morning when you just wake up and open the window, you will see that we have rain outside. Again, after some times we can see that in the evening we have clear sky. Again, in the night time we can see we have thunder in the sky, lightning. So weather actually changes time to time. It is calculated within the very short time. That means in the morning when you see that it is raining outside, so the weather is rainy, we counted the weather as rain. So this is about weather. So sometimes we see this type of icon in our phone that today we have this type of sign like flurries, snow, sunny, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, mostly cloudy. So this indicates the weather forecast to us that whether it will going to be a sunny day, whether it will going to be a cloudy day or mostly cloudy. So these symbols actually symbolizes about the weather factor. So now we will talk about the factors on which the weather depends on. So weather actually depends on four factors. Firstly, temperature, air pressure, humidity and movement of air or wind. So actually these factors are interrelated among each other. We are now going to learn each of them in details. So firstly, what is temperature? So basically by temperature we measure how cold or hot an object is. So it is the extent of hotness or coldness of a place. Like here we can see a cartoon is shivering in cold. Now we will see how temperature rises up. So we all know that the sun is the source of light and heat energy. That means sun is the extreme source from which all type of light and heat energy are being absorbed in the earth. So basically during the daytime, sun rays directly comes to the surface of the earth. Thus the land part and the soil part of the earth gets warm, and thus the warm air evaporates into the atmosphere, which actually make the temperature of the atmosphere of the earth to be rising up. Okay, so sun is mainly responsible for the rising up of the temperature of the earth. So the place where the sun can directly heat up is more hotter than that of the place where the sunlight can't reach directly. So in this way, actually temperature rises up.